So I finally got around to redoing the water cooling in my computer, which is something I've been wanting to do for quite a while. What was supposed to be a really straightforward job turned out to be somewhat of a nightmare. Because to be honest, we are new to this whole filming while we work thing and being aware of the camera and checking that the camera is actually rolling and stuff. So we managed to mess up most of the footage. But in the end, I think the computer ended up a lot better than it was.
Oh, for sake.
Before we start, let me explain what happened. Our main camera actually ran out of storage space. We forgot to empty the SD card. Very professional. Also, our little GoPro that we had set up on the corner of our desk to do close-ups ran out of battery.
Well, the footage would have been great if the cameras had stayed alive during the entire session, but sadly they did not. So you just have to trust us on this part. We had a blast though, tearing the blocks apart and to clean them, and the computer's now been put back together, as you can see, and it's running pretty smoothly. But let's take a look at the little footage we have, so take a look at this.
Hello everybody and welcome to this vlog. Today we are finally doing the water cooling rebuild. Finally, everything is here. Okay guys, let's get going. Got my 2 wrenches here. Bucket, let's start draining. Now, I had a funnel, can't find it, don't know where the hell it is. Pretty sure I misplaced it. My girlfriend might have moved it, I don't know. So, I have actually brought some paper. Where are we? Oh, come on. Paper, there we go. Always nice to have handy when you are draining a loop, because you don't want water splashing everywhere and fucking things up. Now, as to where I should drain this, I am not actually sure how I'm going to do this. I think I'll have to go get some more hose of the old crap so I can splice onto that. And because I really don't want to mess up everything. I'll be right back. We are back, guys. I got more hose. Wasn't the one I was looking for, so I'll have you some generic hose I had lying around. I might mention, if you hear some kids crying and screaming, it's just a baby monitor. The twins are sleeping. And my girlfriend is baking, so she can't help them. So there might be some cutting to do. If they scream, I have to run. So bear with me. Anywho, let's get cracking. carefully into the thingy bucket, and now you can actually see the damage this has done to my GPU block. Holy crap, that's gunked up. Might actually have to swap this out. As you can see, I don't know if you can see it, it's corroded all the way over here. Really corroded. We might have to pick this apart and have a look at the damage. Maybe we could polish off some of it. Hopefully the gasket's okay. Looks to be pretty straightforward to pick apart. Bolts, none of the plexi is cracked, so that's good. Wow, this is really corroded. This is the Aquastream XT USB pump, which has a USB connector here, and you connect this here, and you can actually manage this from their own software, which is available on their website for free, which is actually quite nice. You just set up your you can either go with the internal temperature control, or you can actually hook up an external one here. I haven't tried that now because I don't have one that fit. And you can set it to a water temperature that you want it to be at, and it'll figure out the rest for to make that happen. And it has a fan controller on, so I've got that set to actually control my radiator fans. So when the water temperature goes up above the wanted level, it'll start the fans up and run them until it's down to where we want it to be. It's a very good pump, actually.
That's it for part 1. Please join us in part 2.